GitHub tutorials for beginners. Think of GitHub as two things. Git equals the tool that tracks your code changes. GitHub equals the website that stores your Git projects and lets people collaborate. Here's what you need to know as a beginner. Down finger. Puzzle piece core concepts. Must know. 1. Repository. Repo. A repo equals your project folder on GitHub. It contains code files, commit history, branches, issues, pull requests, etc. 2. Git basics. Very important. You should know these commands. Git init # start tracking a project. Git clone URL # copy a repo to your computer. Git status # see what changed. Git add # stage changes. Git commit message. Git push # upload changes to GitHub. Git pull # download latest changes. 3. Commit. A commit equals a snapshot of your changes. Good commit message example. Fix login bug. Bad example. Update. 4. Branch. A branch equals separate version of your code. Main right pointing arrow stable code. Feature login right pointing arrow your new feature. Used so you don't break main code. 5. Pull request. PR. A pull request equals asking, can I merge my changes into main? Quote. Used in teams and open source. 6. Merge. Merging equals combining branches. GitHub helps resolve conflicts, busts and silhouette collaboration features. 7. Fork. A fork equals your copy of someone else's repo. Used in open source contribution. 8. Issues. Issues equals bug reports, feature requests, tasks. 9. Readme.md. This is the homepage of your project. Should contain what the project does, how to run it, how to use it. Closed lock important practical things. 10. Git ignore. Tells Git what not to upload. Node_modules. .env. Build files. 11. Public vs private repo. Public right pointing arrow everyone can see. Private right pointing arrow only you, invited users. 12. GitHub profile. For jobs. Your GitHub profile shows your projects, your code activity, your skills. Employers love this. Brain concepts to learn next. After basics. Git branch. Git checkout. Git switch. Git merge. Git rebase. GitHub actions. CI, CD. Tags and releases. World map simple learning path. Create a repo. Push code. Create branch. Make PR. Merge. Repeat. Bullseye in simple words. GitHub equals Google Drive for code plus teamwork plus history.